Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how Germany achieved unification. We'll explore the pivotal role of Prussia and its astute leader, Otto von Bismarck. Economic integration, like the Zollverein Customs Union, laid important groundwork. Prussia's formidable military strength was also a key factor, enabling it to overcome various obstacles. This complex process involved both strategic diplomacy and decisive military actions, leading to a powerful new nation. Prussia's formidable military was central to its rise, allowing it to assert dominance over other German states. Otto von Bismarck, a master of realpolitik, skillfully navigated complex political landscapes. He used pragmatic strategies, often manipulating international relations to isolate those who opposed unification. This strategic brilliance, combined with Prussia's robust industrial and economic growth, provided a solid foundation for its military and political ambitions, paving the way for a unified Germany. Three pivotal wars marked the path to unification. First, the Danish War secured key territories. Next, the Austro-Prussian War dissolved the old German Confederation, firmly establishing Prussia's dominance. Finally, the Franco-Prussian War brought the southern German states into alignment with the North German Confederation. These conflicts, each strategically orchestrated, showcased Prussia's superior military and unwavering political determination, proving essential for achieving a unified German state. The culmination of these efforts saw the German Empire proclaimed in the magnificent Hall of Mirrors at Versailles. King Wilhelm I of Prussia was declared the first German emperor, marking a monumental shift. The newly formed empire consisted of 25 states, including 4 distinct kingdoms, each contributing to the new national identity. This historic event created a powerful and influential nation-state in the heart of Central Europe, reshaping the continent's political landscape.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.